In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history permanently from laptop. We will walk through the main Windows browsers so you can clear what is stored on your device. First, let us handle Google Chrome. Open Chrome on your laptop so you can see your usual browser window. You should see your tabs across the top and the address bar ready for a web address. Once Chrome is open, press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together. A new pop-up window appears titled Clear Browsing Data, usually in the center of the screen, and everything we need is inside this box. Now look for the time range menu at the top of that window. Click it and change the value to all time. This tells Chrome to remove every stored record on this laptop, from the first day you used Chrome until now. Beginners often leave it on last hour by mistake, which only clears a tiny slice of history. With the time range set, make sure browsing history is selected. You will see a short description under it about visited pages. When that box is checked, every list of sites you have opened in Chrome on this laptop will be removed from the browser history view. You will no longer see those sites suggested when you open the history panel. From there, choose whether you also want to remove cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Cookies sign you into sites and remember preferences, while cached images and files are local copies of pages that speed things up. If you select both options, many sites will sign you out and Chrome will reload images fresh the next time you visit, which can fix some display problems. Once you have chosen the options, click Delete Data. Chrome will briefly show a loading spinner, then the pop-up closes. After that, the history menu inside Chrome will now be empty for the time range you selected. If Chrome Sync is enabled on your Google account, the deletion you just did can also remove the same browsing data from other devices where you use Chrome while signed in. Next up is Microsoft Edge. Open Edge on your laptop and wait for the main window with the address bar to appear. Press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together. A clear browsing data panel slides into view, usually on the right side of the window, listing several categories. At this point, set the time range to all time. This tells Edge to clear every stored record on this copy of the browser. Then check browsing history so that your visited sites list is removed. You can also select any other data you want removed, such as cached files or download history, using the checkboxes next to each item. With your choices made, click Clear Now. Edge shows a brief confirmation notice that the chosen items were cleared. If you prefer this to happen automatically every time you close Edge, open the Settings menu, go to Privacy, Search, and Services, then Clear Browsing Data, then choose what to clear every time you close the browser. There you can switch on the categories you want wiped each time Edge shuts down. Now let us cover Mozilla Firefox. Open Firefox so you see its main window with the search and address bar at the top. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together. A pop-up appears called Clear Recent History, and this is where you choose how much to remove. Set the time range to everything. This makes Firefox clear every stored record on this laptop, not just the recent ones. Then select Browsing and Download History. With that box checked, Firefox will remove the list of sites you have visited and the record of files you downloaded, so they no longer appear in the Library History panel. Click Clear. The pop-up disappears and your Firefox history and download list are now empty for this profile. One key fact to remember is that clearing history in these browsers removes data from your laptop, but it does not erase separate records kept in your Google account, Microsoft account, on individual websites, at your internet provider, or on a school or work network. You have now cleared browsing history from Chrome, Edge, and Firefox on your Windows laptop. If this helped you clean things up, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more straight-to-the-point privacy guides.